Good morning, Carol here. I am officially at the 1 year mark. 1 year dye free. Actually, 1 year and 2 days, if I want to be really specific. So now I know how much my hair grows in a year. It's neither fast nor slow, I think. And my hair really isn't blue. It's just not real daylight yet. It's still, the sun's still coming up. So the lighting outside is making my hair look blue, which is kind of cool, actually. Not that I would want blue hair, but it's cool that my hair takes on different shades around me. Anyway, today, I will be getting my hair cut, and I'm going to ask them to cut out all of this last of the brown stuff so I can just sort of be done with this. Not that it hasn't been a fantastic process and it hasn't been enlightening and all that stuff. I just want it done. I want this ugly brown fadey stuff out, and then I can grow my hair from there. So hopefully I don't end up with something that looks like a helmet. I trust this girl. I've been going to her for years, so hopefully she does a good job. This is definitely one cut I did not want to do myself, but I'll probably go back to cutting my own hair. That was working for me. It's quick, it's easy, and saves a pile of money too. Anyway, wish me luck. I will come back on at the end of the day when I get home from work and my hair appointment, and we'll just see what we're left with. Thanks. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.